want to introduce to you today a new banding jig that we've got. So this jig is pretty handy, very adjustable, and really easy to use. Like other banding jigs, it's really important that you have the right amount of pre-stretch. Cool thing about this jig is it is fully adjustable to get the right amount of pre-stretch for the pouch size that you're using. So I'm just going to build a pouch for you and show you how it works. Now when you get this jig, in our complete kit, you'll have the jig, you'll get a pair of forceps with a bit of rubber. Here's a set that we've already put the rubber over the forceps. Just put a little rubbing alcohol in there and slide it on. You'll see why this is important to put this on here. This protects the band. So we're just going to tie a band set here, flat bands. Of course you can use this for flat bands or tubular bands. Just show you how it works. So go ahead and get your band set up in your pouch as you like it. And then use the padded forceps to lock it in place. So the cool thing about this jig is that it is fully adjustable. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust this for our pouch here so we get just the right amount of pre-stretch. And you ask, what is the right amount of pre-stretch? That all varies and people have different opinions on it. I like about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. And if you're working with the same size pouches, of course, once you get it where you like it, you can lock these down in place. Right now, I've just got these finger tight. So we've got a little bit of pre-stretch there. At this point, you can use any type of tying twine or tying material that you like to use. Some folks prefer to use the amber tape or amber belt. Some folks prefer to use crystal string. Some folks prefer to use cotton twine. There's all sorts of things that you can use out there. Whether you use a constrictor knot or use one of these products, it matters not. At this point, you're simply going to tie the pouch into place with your chosen method. So for this one, I'm just going to use some of the crystal string. One thing that's convenient about the crystal string is you don't necessarily have to use a constrictor knot. You can simply give it several wraps, cinch it down tight, and then finish it with a square knot. Right over left, left over right. And one side is attached and ready to shoot. You just repeat the process for the other side. Of course, you could mount this to a board if you wanted to make a tying station, but this is a handy little jig, fully adjustable. You might use a little bit of this extra tubing if you'd like to put over this post. That's all available there for you to customize. So check it out at SimpleShot. Thanks for taking a look. Get out and shoot those slingshots.